Hi guys, welcome to Virtu AI and Hybris Technologies. Today I'm going to explain how to install WinRAR in our local machines. So let's see. First, open the browser to download the WinRAR setup file. Download. Here this is the official website. So click on this link to navigate to the particular website. So here we can see a latest version available here. WinRAR 7.11 English 64-bit. So click on this link to download the setup file. Click on this to install. Click yes. So here we can see there is a program files. By default it is selecting. So it selects by default program files, which is 64-bit software directory. So click on install. I am selecting iOS jar, and also I want to add the shortcut on my desktop. Also add WinRAR to the start menu. I am also selecting this one. It is optional. If you want, you can select these features. So click on OK. So done. So the installation of the WinRAR is completed successfully. So let's understand what is WinRAR first. WinRAR is a powerful proprietary file compression and archive management tool developed by RAR Lab. RAR stands for Roshal Archive, named after Eugene Roshal, the Russian software engineer who developed the RAR compression algorithm and WinRAR software. WinRAR is best known for creating and extracting files in the RAR and zip formats and is widely used for compressing large files with high efficiency. The features of WinRAR is WinRAR performs RAR and zip compression, performs multi-format extraction, it performs high compression ratio, it provides password protection and encryption, performs split archives, provides repair function, performs Windows shell integration, supports cross-platform availability, means it will support multiple platforms, means multiple OSs like Windows, Mac, etc. So let's check the software installation is completed successfully or not. So we can see here the icon got appeared on the desktop as we selected the checkbox. Let's go to the program control panel, uninstall program, and here we can see WinRAR 7.11 64-bit installed successfully, and also we can check the directory structure. Click on my PC, C drive. This is 64-bit software directory. This is 32-bit software directory. Click on this program files. We can find here the directory, WinRAR directory. The software got installed successfully, which is 64-bit. So this is all about WinRAR software, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for your support. Thank you.